Happy Easter and welcome to my channel. I'm Torrie K. Today I'm going to show you how to make some adorable kawaii Easter eggs. This is a really fun Easter craft and one that you can actually keep after the holiday is done. If we're ready, let's begin.
I'll be making Pusheen the cat and her sister Stormy, Rilakkuma the bear and his friend Kiiroitori the chick. Sorry if I mispronounced that. You'll need an assortment of acrylic paints in white, yellow, orange, pink, brown, and black. Different size paintbrushes for large and small details, Mod Podge or other type of varnish, large and small wooden eggs. I chose 2 different sized eggs because I wanted the characters to be somewhat in proportion to each other. Try to get eggs that have a flat base if you can because it makes the project so much easier. Don't forget a plate or a palette for mixing paint colors and a glass to hold water for your brushes. Sandpaper may also come in handy if you need to smooth out any areas before painting your eggs. Now let's get painting. For the last step, I'm painting a layer of varnish over the dried eggs. Varnish brings more vibrancy to your projects and gives them that finished look. Here's the completed eggs, and I think they look so fun and adorable. As you can see by the one extra egg, I also tried to paint Pusheen's brother Pip, but the dark gray didn't show up well on camera, so I omitted that footage.
I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you do subscribe to my weekly content, also hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos. Before I close this video, I wanted to give you a little bonus content and show you what's in my Easter basket. So a very tiny Easter haul. This is my basket right here, and yes, I am a grown woman, and yes, I do get Easter baskets. I basically only started celebrating Easter when I got married because my family did not celebrate that holiday due to religious beliefs. But now that I'm on my own, I can celebrate whatever holidays I want. So I have this little bunny here, which is from Squishmallows. If you're not familiar with Squishmallows, this brand has like super adorable squishy plush. They basically feel like marshmallows, hence their name. And this is my second one that I've gotten. And she's so soft and so adorable. Look in the back, you can see her little wiggly tail back here. I got this little Easter tic-tac-toe from Michael's, which I have absolutely no need for in my life. But I wanted to get it because I just like the style of like wooden toys, like old-fashioned kind of toys. I think they just look really cute displayed. And I have these little pom-pom bunnies. So of course I had to get these really cute little dapper Easter chicks. And the little chicklets here. The little ladies with their little hats on. And these little miniature rubber ducks, which are in pastel colors. I'll just probably put these in like a little jar or something and display them. These little tiny baby chicks. Of course, chicks are already babies, so I guess somehow these are like even smaller babies. Whatever. They're really cute. And, whoops. And I got this little bunny ball. It's like this really fat bunny and like floating around in a ball. I'm trying to get the face to go towards you. There we go. Isn't that cute? And my basket, of course, which you've seen like a million times in this video already, but isn't it just the most adorable thing ever? So that's my Easter basket. I am not ashamed of receiving one. As a matter of fact, I picked out all the things that go in it. But let me know in the comments below, do you get an Easter basket? And if you do, what are some of your favorite things to receive? Thank you again for watching, and until next time, see you soon. Bye!